As predicted by the National Weather Service, this is one of the strongest storms to make landfall here in modern times. There may be 30,000 linemen available in the state of Louisiana to restore power after this storm. I don't know that we've ever had that number before, but prioritizing their work is going to be critically important. With respect to COVID-19, it presents special challenges at our shelters. And I've mentioned this before. You don't want to conduct sheltering in large open rooms any more than is absolutely necessary because of the transmission of COVID. But we will have no higher priority than to make sure that our hospitals can remain in operation and functional, and that's going to be a challenge because we expect widespread power outage for some time.